Hey guys, it's Wendy Mac. Thanks again for coming back to my channel. We got a fun little unboxing here with three of my favorite companies: Simon Says Stamp, Pinkfresh, and Crafter's Companion. First up, we're going to have a Simon Says Stamp. That's just a little bitty haul. Um, there was just a couple things in my cart. Whenever I saw this Ferris wheel, I had to get them all. But this one is the Spellbinders Leafy 3D embossing folder. This is one of their huge 5.5 by 8.5 embossing folders that I've been wanting for a while, and I gave full price for this. This I was looking for this and the molded frame on Spellbinders, and apparently they're both sold out that time. But here's the Ferris wheel. I saw Jennifer McGuire do a spinner card with this, and I had to get it immediately. I mean, look how adorable. And to do a boardwalk journal. And look, you can even do like a color wheel spinner just by itself. That'd be a fun for, doing journal entries or whatever. But here's a Simon Says Stamp. What was it? Horizon lines. And it's got like, 6 different cuts in it for, borders or whatever. And here we got a rose butterfly. I don't get a lot of butterflies. Whenever I see them unique like this, I'm on it. And then the last deal here was it's a clearly besotted a roundabout stencil. It's like 6x6, but I think the circles they're around 2 3/4 circumference, I guess. But you got your buildings and your grass and your clouds and you got a couple of hills there. So perfect for tags or pockets or any type of layout um, or uh, design that you want. So or element in your journal. So the next up here we got is Pinkfresh, and I noticed they had a sale where if you bought a stamp, they give you the stencil and the die for free. So that's what I did here. This right here is called the Never Give Up stamp, and the flower is like 5 inches long, I think, and it's got you bought this for like $16, and you got the die and I think it's like a 4-piece stencil for free. So, and it's got a lot of cute sentiments, and you get to cut out like two sentiments with the dies. Here is it's just a foil plate. Go for it. It was beautiful vintage, and it was like $3. So I got it. And this last set here is called the Lovely Blooms. It's like 3 different blooms, and you got, I gave like $8 for the stamp and the dies. So that was an amazing sale. The last up here is with the Crafter's Companion. This order was around $30. Um, it had some elements to go with that little Ferris wheel that I got with Simon Says Stamp. But it was $30 with shipping and handling, I think. There's a cute, and first of all, that these bookworm it's a bookworm collection, and it's just glasses. It's like 2 pairs of glasses with the backs, and I think they're around 2.5, 3 inches. I tried to open it. I thought, oh no, their packaging is different. So, and it's lovely. Um, would definitely make adorable 3D toppers for pullouts or tags or pockets or whatever. But look here, here's a bookworm collection, chapter 1. It's a cute layered book with a cup and a bookmark die, and there's 2 stamps. One of them says "Once Upon a Time," and there's a cute handwriting stamp to stamp in your book. Would make an adorable bookmark or a hidden paperclip. And then last but not least, here we go. This is what I got to go with the Ferris wheel. This is called the Fairground. So it's got what, 2, 3 different border dies and a tree. It's got your carousel, your Ferris wheel, your blow up house. I think I have a lawn fawn stamp and die set. That's a crane machine that's going to go great. But anyways, thank you guys for coming by, and I look forward to seeing y'all next time. Y'all have a good.